Greetings from the sub-ether, this is Alan, and it's time for another quick color basic video recorded on my phone on the screen of a Raspberry Pi running the XRoar emulator, because that's what I've got. On my blog I've been talking about the old color computer attract screens that appeared in the early 1980s, where they made use of the so-called graphic characters of the color computer's video display generator. They were a 2x2 block of 8 different colors. You can see right there, there's 16 of each color. The first block at 128 is black. Then it repeats with all the different colors. I know that 128 plus 15 to get to the last character is 143. That's the first colored block. 143 plus 16 then is the next one. Then 143 plus 16 plus 16 is the next one, and so on. So that gives me 8 colors I can use. So I might start by doing a loop like this. For color equals 0 to 7, I'm going to build me a string of these colors. 20, block string equals block string plus character string. 143 plus, and I did C starting at 0 because I'm going to say 16 times C. So the first time C is 0, it'll be 143 plus 16 times 0, that's 0. The next time it'll be 143 plus 16 times 1, that's 16. And 30 next. So if I run this, I get the 8 colors. Then if I want to double them to make them longer, I can say B string equals B string plus B string. I need them at least twice as wide as the screen. So that makes it from 8 to 16. I'll double them again. That makes it 32, and I'll double it one more time. Now if I run it, I get 2 lines of those color blocks. Once I've got that, I can simply clear the screen to black. For A equals 1 to 32, the number of characters on the screen, print at 0. I'm going to say mid-string of this B string, starting at A, 32 characters long. And next. And there we go. A little scrolling thing at the top of the screen. And if I want to do one at the bottom as well, maybe line 75, I'd print at position 480. That's the start of the bottom row, mid-string, B string, comma, A. Now I'm going to do 31 here because if you print all the way to the bottom right character, it will scroll the screen up and this will not work. So those 2 lines will give me that. Maybe you want the bottom one to rotate in a different direction. We will change the mid-string. Instead of starting at position A, we'll make it start at 33 minus A. So when it's 32, it will subtract 33 minus 32 and be 1, and so on. So this will make the bottom one count backwards. Okay, so that's pretty good. And I could just simply put a go to right here, back up to line 60, and I could run this. And let me touch the screen to focus, and there you go, color bars. If you're a little OCD, you'll notice that the colors are the same order, even though they're going in opposite directions. So it might be like red, green, blue, going to the right. At the bottom, it's red, green, blue, but they're going left. If you wanted to reverse that, we could simply make a reverse string by doing the same trick. Oh, let's start right here. Line 25, reverse string equals reverse string plus character string 143 plus 16 times. Then I'm going to do the same trick I did with the reversing the characters below. I'm going to say 7 minus C right there. So that'll go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that should give me that. And line 45, I will take reverse string and double it again, and double it one more time. It's the reason I do it this way. I covered that in my blog. It's a little faster. So now it gives me a start and an end. If I put a 46 end right there and run it, you'll see that I have B string that goes this way and reverse string that goes the opposite way. So let's get rid of line 46, and I will edit 75, and instead of using B string, I will use the reverse string and run that. And now we have the top going to the left, the bottom going to the right, and the colors are in the right order, so based on the direction they're going, the right color follows it. So you could take this, you could put your startup text right on the middle of the screen and make your next basic program be sort of kind of like the way we were doing them back in the early 1980s. So there you go, that is my color basic attract screen in 9 lines of basic. Until next time, don't panic.